In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your first project in Asana. By the end, you'll know how to create an account, set up your workspace, add your team, build a project, pick the right layout, and fill it with clear, actionable tasks so your work stays on track. First, go to Asana's website and create an account. Sign up with an email you plan to use for work so everything stays organized in one place. After you confirm your details, you'll land in a fresh Asana environment. This is your home base, and from here, we'll get everything structured for smooth collaboration. Next, set up your workspace or organization. If you're using a company email domain and collaborating across departments, choose an organization. If you're working solo or with a small group without a shared domain, a workspace is perfect. Give it a clear name that everyone will recognize, like your company or team name. This label appears throughout Asana, so keep it simple and consistent. If you're working with others, add your team members now. Invite them using their work emails so they can join your space and see the right projects. You can add people directly to the workspace or to a specific team inside it. If you're not ready to invite everyone yet, that's fine. Just know you can bring them in anytime and they'll immediately see what's relevant. Now, create your first project. Click to start a new project, give it a descriptive name, and add a short summary so everyone understands the goal and scope. Decide whether the project should be public to your team or private, depending on who needs visibility. Choose the layout that fits your workflow. List is great for structured to-do lists and straightforward execution. Board organizes work into columns, which is ideal for stages like to do, in progress, and done. Calendar shows tasks by due date, making deadlines easy to manage. Timeline offers a visual schedule across days or weeks, perfect for seeing how work fits together over time. Pick the one that matches how you think about the work. You can switch views later if needed. Finally, add tasks, due dates, assignees, and project sections. Start by creating project sections to group related work. Add tasks under each section with clear titles and, if helpful, short descriptions. Set due dates to anchor the schedule and assign each task to the right person so ownership is crystal clear. As your project grows, keep refining task names and dates and review your chosen view to spot overlaps and keep momentum. That's it. Your Asana project is ready to go.